Hello, Facebook. Hello, everybody. Happy Friday. Happy Friday to you all. It is Friday, October 29th. Big shout out to Alex. It's Alex's birthday, one of our staff members. It is her birthday today. So happy birthday to Alex. Courtney's was last week. Nicole. Oh, we're filling up the ice machine. Courtney's filling it up. Nicole, who works for us, was Monday, and Patrick is on next Monday, so November 1st. So lots of Scorpios. We did a Scorpio birthday bash on Wednesday with our staff, celebrating our staff's birthdays. That was really fun. Nice team bonding as well. Any live music this weekend? Not here, Albie. Where are you playing, Albie? Let's see. Hello, Terry. Hello, Catherine and Albie. Thank you for watching me. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I will apologize for yesterday's Facebook Live. For some reason, I drew a blank to what the $9.99 takeout special was this week. I stumbled twice and I could not remember. It is our maitake mushroom and pasta with a pecorino sauce. It is awesome. We did it at our wine dinner last Monday, and it was really good. So that's $9.99 to go. So maitake mushroom with pasta and pecorino cheese sauce. It's amazing. Hello, Giovanna. Hello, Lori. Thank you all for joining me and watching me today on this chilly fall Friday. And we are open tonight. We are open the weekend. We're open till Monday. So $9.99 special maitake mushroom pasta with pecorino sauce until Monday. We have our regular menu available as well for takeout. We are open. I highly recommend reservations. And Monday night, we're doing a special dinner. We are doing a full cocktail dinner. So if you would like to come to that, that is on Monday evening. We'll be doing 4 full cocktails and a dish for $29. It's a steal. Make reservations for that ahead of time. It is going to be fun. I haven't done a cocktail dinner, and we've been doing these dinners for over a year and a half now. And hello, Jean. How are you? Thank you for watching me. Hello, everybody out there in Facebook land. So I had this crazy thing happen to me the other day. I had called a winery because we were going to try to stop by and bring some of our designated driver rack cards to leave at the winery. And when I told him who I was, I said, hi, this is Jamie from Aroma Time. We have this DD service. Your car, our driver. We'll drive people around, blah, 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 blah. He goes, oh my gosh, are you the one that does the Facebook Lives on Friday? And I said, yes, I do Facebook Lives most days. I do my cocktail time with Jamie. And he goes, I have guests that come in here every single Friday, sit at my bar and watch your Facebook Lives and watch your cocktail being made. So that was really cool. You never know when you are going to be viewed or when people are going to see you. So that was really awesome. You knew exactly who I was. And, I do that. I do that to promote our amazing bar that we have with all of these awesome spirits, local spirits. I do it to give you something to watch. And I first started doing it because I wanted to get out of my comfort zone. So that was really the big thing for me, was getting out of my comfort zone. I would never do Facebook Lives. I was scared when I started them in March of 2020. And now I don't have cue cards. I just go off whatever I'm thinking, whatever I want to talk about. So there you have it. So thank you for watching me. Thanks, Albie. I'm not really a star. I'm just me. Hello, Jerome. Jerome said he will see us later. Awesome. Let's see. Yeah. So thanks, everybody. I appreciate you watching. Today, I'm going to be making a pumpkin bourbon cider sour. That's a mouthful. I'm going to be using this awesome Sweet Shine pumpkin spice. I'm going to be using Rough Rider bourbon from Long Island. I'm going to be using local apple cider, orange juice, and a little bit of agave. So I'm going to shake it on up. I'm going to add ice to my shaker. And I'm going to add 2 ounces of bourbon. I'm going to add about an ounce of pumpkin spice liqueur. a little bit of agave. I think it's gonna be sweet enough, but I'm gonna add just a little agave or simple syrup, whatever you have at home. I'm gonna add a splash of apple cider and a splash of orange juice. I'm gonna shake that on up. Thanks everybody for watching us. I appreciate it. If you would like to come to our cocktail dinner on Monday, let me know. Maybe this will be one of the cocktails that makes it on to, out for the dinner, so we'll see. Let's see how this tastes. So pumpkin, bourbon, cider sour. Ooh. Wow, does that pumpkin spice come out in there? Yum, yum, yum. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Excellent. So come on in, come in for a fall cocktail. Our bar is open. We're doing inside dining this evening in the restaurant. My staff is ready to take care of you. They're ready for you to come in and join us for a dinner. If you do come in, one of the things that we are promoting is we will plant a tree if you post a picture and tag us on Instagram or Facebook. So if you tag us, we will plant a tree. As most of you know, we are green certified. We are a green certified restaurant, have been for many, many years. We were the first in the Hudson Valley, and that's it. I will maybe catch you tomorrow. I'm not sure. It's Saturday and Sunday. I typically don't do a Facebook Live, but you never know. Sometimes I am known to do them on Saturdays and Sundays. If not, I will catch you on Monday. Thank you everybody for watching me. Give me a thumbs up. Hashtag live if you're watching live. Hashtag replay if you're watching on the replay. Tell me one of your favorite fall drinks. I'd love to hear. And that is it. Hope everybody has an amazing, awesome weekend, and I will catch you soon. Thanks for watching. Cheers.